Woo! What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new episode, First Time Recycling, Maintenance Edition. We got myself, Hero, here.
We got Alvin,
superstars of the show.
And who said maintenance? This is upgrades, bro.
Maintenance, upgrades, tools, equipment. We are upgrading Alvin's bike today to, he has an 1128 cassette, 5339 standard crank, and he's always crying on the uphills. So today, we're actually going to be upgrading his cassette to an 1132. So we got the cassette, and with the cassette, we got to change the chain. We got a Wolftooth Roadlink, which is going to extend his short cage derailleur to kind of like a medium style length. So hopefully that'll all work. This would be our first time doing this, so hopefully it goes smoothly. And yeah, got your tools: chain breaker, cassette tool remover, lube, and you know, the little tools that you'll need with doing this job. So the first step, we're gonna have to remove this chain here, and just by the looks of it, I circled around, it doesn't have a quick disconnect, so we're gonna have to break it using the chain breaking tool. And the new chain comes with a quick disconnect, so that's gonna be easier for us to reassemble. So I'm just gonna break this chain off now. Bang! Looked like something broke.
Alright. So, I am removing the wheel here, guys. Pretty much I have the quick release, just open, start to rotate a little bit, and it'll slide and drop right out. If you guys don't remember what this guy is, this is a little bike trailer for my son. So if you guys wanted to check out that video, check it out in the upper right hand video.
Ran into a little snag here, if you can see. Here, I'm not sure if the GoPro can pick it up, but the hole is not exactly straight. I actually have to go up and in a little bit, so Alvin's going to be doing something with that. So we'll get to that scene now.
So what we're going to be trying to do is we're going to take our wannabe Dremel, and we're going to try to Dremel this edge right here down and lower it a little bit, so we'll see how much we can do. I don't think it's going to mess with the integrity of the part, but we'll try to get it as close as possible and see if we can actually get it to go up a little bit. I know the other idea would be maybe even Dremel the screw hole out, but then I don't think it'll sit properly in there. So that's why we're doing this section here, to see if we can get it to work. So yeah, anyway, let's jump into that and see how it works and how it feels. See how far we are before I cut anything else. Kind of see it right there.
It's a little dark.
Yeah, so it's probably right where I need to V out right there. But you can kind of see that where it moves in the shadow there. So I'm gonna try to get this little corner so it'll try to move up a little bit. But I don't have a lot of room on the rear side because of how much clearance there is. So we'll try it, see how much more we can get.
Alright, you guys, so you can see we didn't cut much, but this was done to this. Very slightly cut right here at the drops, and now it fits perfectly. So right now, as you can see, the derailleur is gone missing because Alvin got this crazy idea to clean it up. So we'll just wait for the derailleur now. Here, I'll show you over. There's Alvin over there. It's gonna look nice, so let's just wait here for the derailleur.
Kind of polished it up a little bit. There was some scuffs, damages on it and stuff like that, so I hit it with a buffer and I took a lot of it off. There's still more to it, but I got on a side project, so it wasn't great. It's an Ultegra.
We just squirreled.
Yeah, RD 6600. So
6600 series or 6000 series. Okay.
Yeah, 6000 series. Yeah. And so pretty much I just I took it off with the buffing wheel. You can kind of see it in there. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. It's like a ghost image in it now, but that's what it is. So right now I have the bearings out. These are full speed ahead bearings.
The pulleys.
Yep. And so we'll add some oil to it.
And there's ceramic bearings.
Yep, ceramic bearings.
Adding a little lube since we
spray them and dry them out.
Yep. So yeah, after this, we're gonna slap him back on the bike, and it should be hopefully should be good with the Wolftooth thing that we modified. But yeah, that's that. Oh, and then look at the hanger.
Yeah.
Look how clean that is.
Yeah, like I said, this is the perfect time to do all this stuff, guys. So if you're doing it, think about doing it.
Yeah.
Maintenance.
Well, that's just us. We're first timers. We see something like this, can't help but touch it, take it apart, play with it. Anyways, so here's what proper lubing will do to the police. Spin. Earlier, when he was spinning it, it wouldn't spin at all. Maybe like a couple turns, but now it actually spins. Anyways, we're having too much fun here. Alright, and he squirts some more oil as if it needs more. We now have the derailleur Wolftooth link fitting properly. And actually didn't have to take much material off, which is a good thing. But, you know, for those of you that run into this issue, yeah, at least you know this can be done.
Just remember, guys, we're not pros. We don't recommend it. This is something that I'm willing to ride on.
Yep.
You know, so if you guys are willing to do some of your own work and you're willing to do some mods like that, go ahead and do it. I don't recommend it. You know, if you guys aren't used to it or wanting to do it or willing to take a crash, you know, if something breaks.
Yeah,
But
just have a, I mean, yeah, we're not professionals, but we are hobbyists. So yeah, we're not afraid to be doing these types of things. Alright, there's probably lots of videos on how to put a chain on, but I didn't watch any of them. I just know that the words have to be facing outside, but there's words on both sides.
maybe you should look at the
Instructions?
instructions. And that box.
Actually, I think it doesn't matter.
Make sure or zero messes up.
I never mess
Break
up.
the chain off.
I never mess up. Okay. Well, real quick, go to the highest gear. I want to see if the derailleur. Okay, good. So we don't have any chain hitting anywhere. Now go to the smallest. Okay. That's the smallest?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Yeah, we could see that the chain
Let's
is
see right now, I'm
clear.
hitting the inside. I'm hitting this right
Oh, dang. There's a lot of slack.
now.
Okay.
Well, it's not slack, it's just here. It's hitting. That's just how much.
From cross chaining?
Yeah.
But the chain is so loose.
Yeah, but if I go into the big gear.
Oh no, you know what? This
It
might
has to
be
be that.
this might be an issue because of the
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
The
Both
derailleur.
sides of the,
So you have to be on the big car.
yeah, I have to be on the big car too.
Yeah, okay.
But it looks like I'm still pretty close anyway.
So we need to do adjustments. Alright, you guys. So it works. And we just need to tune the minimum and max screws just so it shifts a little more
Evenly.
smoothly and evenly. Yeah. As you can hear that it was kind of skipping and grinding and stuff, like it's trying to catch the gear. But yeah, the Roadlink, Wolftooth Roadlink works. The derailleur,
It works with a lot of work.
it works for us. It works with a lot of work. Yeah, you know, the trimming and everything. But anyways, I'm happy that it's on there. I'm happy that he can spin now. So true test would be to actually climb some hills. So that'll be our next video. Woo! All right,
So I finished.
it's on the bike.
On the bike, done. It felt good. I did a quick little test ride on it.
Yeah.
And I can actually spin in my big gear.
Yeah, I know.
Dang. So we got
Yeah.
a little crazy
I
there.
can see him actually spinning now.
Yeah. So it looks good.
So right out of the box, it's supposed to be just like boom, 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 put everything on. But you know, we had to trim a little bit of the Wolftooth Roadlink and a little bit on the hanger of the bike itself, just to get it to sit straight so I can screw it in. Yeah, and then, you know, a little side project of cleaning the derailleur, which looks nice.
Yeah.
It looks really nice.
And it looks good. Yeah, I'm happy.
And then we found out that he had FSA ceramic pulleys that we didn't know about until we took it all apart. That's a good thing. Oiled it up. Everything spins good. The bike just keeps rolling. You see that?
Yeah. No.
So yeah, very good. Had fun. Learned a lot about the bike, and you know, the mechanics of it. So during our test ride, we noticed that it was skipping some of the gears. So we need to mess with the min and max of the derailleur just to get it dialed in. Hopefully we don't have to take it to a professional to get it tuned. So hopefully we can.
No professionals for this bike.
Hopefully we can iron this out on our own.
We are the professionals.
We are the first timer professionals.
Yeah.
But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video.
Smash the like.
Smash the like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And yeah, stay tuned for our next episode when we actually take this out for our actual road biking ride. Yeah. We're gonna do some hills this time. I want to see this guy.
He's like trying to get me on a diet here.
We're gonna race my 34 tooth and his 32, but his 39 and my 34.
Still not fair, but we'll see.
But his bike is lighter than mine, except for when he's fully loaded with bottles
I'm fully loaded. I got spare tires. I got the center snack area.
And his boom box.
I got the boom box.
And his belly.
Yeah, I'm just saying. And he had the GoPro camera that I put on there and lights. It's the same weight as his bike.
Yeah, he wasn't able to spin before. Now he's able to spin.
Yeah, we're gonna spin. We're gonna do it. We're gonna climb.
Yeah. All right. Stay tuned till next time.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Peace.
Like. Woo.